Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel This Side Sejal. So today in this video I will tell you that how you can go to Birla Mandir, which is also known as Lakshmi Narayan Mandir in Delhi, and I have visited there and I will tell you what is the nearby metro station and what is the timing for that and how I go there and what's the view about that mandir. So basically Lakshmi Narayan Mandir, which is very commonly known as Birla Mandir, is nearby to the RK Ashram Marg metro station. So the distance between the temple and the metro is 1.7 kilometer approx. So if you want to go by auto, then it will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes only. And if you will go by walk, then it will take you 15 to 20 minutes by walk. So you can very easily go through auto, and if you are going from your own vehicle like from car or from bike and scooty, then you can easily reach out there from your specific location. So I visited there around 8 a.m. in the morning, and the temple was open. The timing for the temple is 4:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. and after it's open at 4 p.m. in the evening. So when I go there, we are from our own car. So you will easily get the car parking or bike parking just. So parking is also available there. You can park your car or your bike, and you can take token from there. The car parking charge is there. Once you have parked your car or your vehicle, you can just directly walk through the temple. And in temple, the mobile phones are not allowed. So you have give your mobile phones and keep it in a locker. You can keep your some important things also in the locker. So you will get one key of the locker. You have to submit your own your mobile phones, your camera. These devices are not allowed. And you have submitted your belongings, you can enter into the temple. Once you will just go into the temple, in front only the of Lakshmi ji and Vishnu ji is available. After that, there are multiple small idols of different gods are available, like Hanuman ji and Ganesh ji, and different goddess idols are present there. After that, when you have just go through the temple, when you will come back, so you will just that adjacent Shri Sai Dham Mandir is also there. So you can also go and do darshan there as well. And adjacent to that Lakshmi Narayan Mandir, on the left side, Buddha temple is also present there. So one go, you can also go Buddha temple, Lakshmi Narayan Mandir, as well Shri Sai Dham Mandir also. And the vibes and atmosphere of the temple is absolutely amazing. Like when I go there, when I just step into the temple, I feel a different type of energy, because one of the reason is that we don't have the distraction, like mobile phones are not there. That's why we are able to feel the energy of the temple, because right now wherever we are going, we just want to capture something, we just want to make something into the devices, and for that reason we are not able to enjoy or not able to feel the energy of that particular space, that particular area, that particular atmosphere. So one of my advice for everyone is that whenever you are going somewhere, just feel the energy of that atmosphere. I am not denying that you don't need to make videos, you don't need to capture the memories, but at the real time, memory is going to capture into your mind only, into your eyes only. So next time, whenever you are going to visit at that particular place, don't try to capture everything in your mobile phone. Capture and make memory in your mind, in your eyes, in your heart. So this is all about my visit in Shri Birla Mandir, Shri Lakshmi Narayan Mandir, and my visit was awesome. We are very easily able to get the darshan of Bhagwan Ji, and you can also take prasad or flowers in outside of the temple. So yeah, it's all about the video. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and if you have also visited Birla Mandir, then let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next one.